Y'all back like I never even left. Make sure this is correct. But we are about to open the market in about 6 minutes, y'all. What we learn, what we learn, what we do, what we learn. Just gotta get some stuff set up here and we should be golden. But yeah, today was this morning was pretty good. Made some money, passed some accounts, and well, I made some money first on my funded accounts, and then I just called it. I was like, I'm done, walked away. That's what I love to see, just being done within about the first 30 minutes or so. Love it when that happens. Gotta love it. Either way, we got. Just gotta be patient now. We got a market opening up here in a couple of few minutes, and we should be good. But let's take a gander at what happened today. We sold off pretty hard. That was the trade that I took from the open. So, I mean, sold off pretty hard. I say pretty hard. I mean, we did kind of sell pretty hard. And then it just rebounded. Kind of wild. And then we're slowly approaching all-time highs again. So we're going to be expecting some resistance up here. But first and foremost, as always, this stream is only for entertainment, guys. Not financial advice. We had a huge rejection off of, what was that? So 380 is going to be something to keep in mind tonight. Let's see how we operate. All right, got my brackets and everything in order. So now we just wait. Gotta make sure I check what EOS is gonna do as well. I mean, everything is pointing upwards, right? So are we gonna be just full on longing tonight, or are we shorting? What are we doing, guys? This is the ultimate question here. Let's take a look at what happened yesterday, though. Looks like London, we just tanked pretty freaking hard. So at the open of yesterday, we just went shot down. So yesterday's Asia shot down. Does that mean that we're going to do the opposite and move on up? Or do we come back to this zone down here first and chop a little bit? We will have to wait and see what the market does. But while that happens, let's check to see if we have any news tomorrow. Because I know we had core PCE today, I think it was. Geez, sorry, y'all. Oh, so it was jobless claims, durable goods, good orders, PCE, GDP, which those were some pretty heavy hitters, but the new home sales was, oh, it was a 9 today? I didn't even see that. It was top of the hour. Core PCE, yeah, core PCE, and then initial jobless claims, that also, that along with durable goods were the heavy hitters, which we didn't really get much of a move. News as of late hasn't really been, you know, too volatile. Usually expect about 100 points each way, and I'm talking from the time the candle opens, the middle of the wick, it's 100 points up, 100 points down. But we haven't really been getting that. Tomorrow we have retail inventories an hour prior to open. We have Chicago PMI first 15 minutes of the day, so might get a little bit of movement there, but I mean, Other than that, eh, we'll run over it up here in about 10 seconds, y'all. There is a delay on my stream as well. So just gonna give you a heads up there. I do see all your responses in live time, but my responses to you will not be in live time. It will be delayed by a few seconds. So just giving you guys a heads up. Lovely. We have, let's see here, gap to the upside. Yes, it's not opened up yet. All right, we are pushing. Do we push all-time highs tonight? Breaking 380 would be the point. Might see a little bit of resistance here. ES is not opened up yet. What is going on? I want to see what's going on with ES. Bulls are coming in strong. There we go. Okay, ES is finally deciding to do something. Have a little bit of a gap here. What is going to happen here? I want to take a short. Let's see if we can get this little 10-point move back to the downside here. Back down to 32. Short. Just very quick here would be great. ES trying to move on down. Don't want to see the bull step through here. Looking like they're trying to come through. ES moving on down. Do we get the bears to come on through? Got 3 points away. Come on. Points away. 4 points. There we go. 33. Can we get 32 on the board? 32, 25. It showed up for a bit. Come on. Let's pop it down. There we go. Lovely. $200. We locked in this. So now I have a $1,500 payout lined up for tomorrow. Yeah. That's how we do it, folks. That's how we do it. Just a little quick little 10-point grab. Saw some weakness in ES. ES kind of filled its gap a little bit. NASDAQ kind of both are not going the same way. But I mean, y'all, I think I'm done. I mean, shoot. I really just wanted to make $200. So this is where the balance is at on this one. So I should be able to request another $1,500 payout tomorrow on it, which would be great. Look, man. Need that. I think I got it at the right time. If I would have hesitated and waited for it to come back a bit too short, I think I would have been screwed. But got a little bit of luck combined with, you know, being a risk taker. Kind of just trusting in myself. There we go. Now they're going to try to go all-time highs. So 80 is up here. What is that? Yeah, so 79. So 80 is going to be, I mean, oh, shoot. All-time highs are scary. So does that mean that tomorrow we're just going to rally all day? And to be quite frank, since I've made money now, tonight, I probably won't even trade tomorrow. And don't look at this is ugly, but I have a couple other accounts that I did make money on. This one's at 51.5, but I guess I'll just see how I feel tomorrow. If I log on and I'm like, don't feel like it, I'll just call it. Because that's kind of what I did last Friday. Last Friday, I don't know if you guys keep up with my post, but basically put a post out. I said, well, last Thursday night, funny, a week ago, I said I was going to come back. I said at the end of the stream, I was like, I'll see you tomorrow. But I ended up trading a little bit later that night. I was like, you know what? Let me see if there's anything. I was able to lock in $200 to secure a $1,500 payout. And I was like, you know what? Give me this $200, give me this payout, and I will not trade Friday. And that's exactly what I did. So now that we're here, 42, okay. Now that we're here, probably won't even trade tomorrow. It sucks not trading and making money, but I've kind of just like right now, at least right now, kind of starting to understand you don't need to trade every day. And I'd definitely be okay with not trading tomorrow. Do I want to trade tomorrow? I mean, yeah, because I want to make money, but will you make money is always the question too. The ultimate question. We are moving on up, coming up into, I mean, all-time highs. It's so tricky. We still have some gaps way down below that have not been filled yet, but I mean, we're just at all-time high, guys. Does that mean tomorrow is just a, you know, close your eyes and go long? Because the normal, I say normal, I think a lot of other people, you know what, I'll speak from my own experiences, is when you're at all-time highs, it can be very easy to try to want to predict the top and catch the top, but it just keeps going and going. And there's always just that fear of, well, if I join the market now, let's say, for example, since we're all-time highs, it's going up, right? You're like, well, what if I join now? As soon as I join in and go with the trend, it's going to flip on me. So you try to predict the top, you get squeezed out, get stop, right until you get your account blown. And it stops you out by maybe 5 points, and then it just absolutely tanks. And now you're like, oh, shoot. This sucks. Because you've blown your account. But let's take a look. I do have some other accounts that I need to activate, so let's look into that. Probably not gonna activate them until next week either way, so I probably won't even activate them tonight, like I said. Here we go. I wouldn't be surprised if the Bears took over here. That's a pretty strong sell. Pretty strong sell if you had to ask me. Looking like the Bears are trying to take control. Again, ES is falling down as well. Like I said, they have this little gap right here. Yes, I have 5 past evals and I have 5 active accounts. It's 1, 2, 5. So I'll have 10 accounts again. Nice. Let's do some quick math here. The unfortunate thing about me right now is that I am positive on the year. I am profitable for the year so far, but not by much. Because I am, you know, do some moronic stuff and end up blowing my accounts. And so I spent just about the same as I do. Ooh, Bears coming through. Almost the same as I do on what? What? I'm trying to activate some of my past evals. I passed it, no? I guess it's bugged out. I'll deal with it tomorrow. I'll deal with it tomorrow. it's not like I need to activate it tonight anyways. Okay, Bears have taken control. I mean, if I had to guess, I'd probably start looking for shorts. Because you got this area down here. Because 80 is all-time high, and the question is, are they going to chase all-time highs tonight? It's always tough. Yeah, shoot, Bears are coming through. Wouldn't want to be a long guy right now. We're up $200 on the night. Cannot complain. So after, actually, let's make sure I have everything correct here. I gotta log back into my account. Because after tomorrow night, I wasn't sure if I was going to get another payout or the end of the May, but I did. And I'm very happy. What do you mean? Come on. Yeah, it looks like, I mean, well, don't say I didn't tell you guys. It's not financial advice, but I was saying, at least start looking for shorts. What a nasty sell, though. 50 to, I mean, that's 50 points. For Asia session, that is really good. Especially in 6 minutes. These are 3-minute candles that you're looking at. That is solid. If you were asking me. You're asking me. So I just want to be sure I have this correct. I need 3 to 5. Oh no! Alright, I spoke too soon. I guess. Oh no, I spoke too soon. No! I guess Memorial Day did not count as a trading day. Oh man, what a bummer, dude. You gotta be playing me now. I really don't want to trade tomorrow. Dude, no way. I mean, I'm glad I traded Memorial Day, but training sessions. Right, let's look. 25. Oh yeah, they did not count it. No way, dude. What a bummer. All right, well, that definitely left a bad taste in my mouth because I would have been at $6,000 for this month. Well, $59.60, but I guess we'll set myself up for we'll set up for May. Man, all right, well, oh, that's such a disappointment. I'm so hurt. They normally count Monday, where like Memorial Day is a day of trading because the market's open for half a day. But either way, I'm just gonna call it here. I'm not gonna trade anymore, and I don't think I'm gonna be trading tomorrow. If I do, I don't know. That was not news that I wanted to see. I was excited. I wanted that payout, but hey, it's alright. Just one more day. We're starting May off. Try to start on a good note. But if you did tune in, appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. If you do subscribe, turn on that notification bell if you are a trader, because I am doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. I don't know if it's going to be accounts or cash giveaway yet, so you don't want to miss it.